How to protect Facebook profile from screenshot. So how you can lock your Facebook profile. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can protect your Facebook profile from screenshot or how you can lock your profile. For that, you have to watch this video till the end. So to enhance the privacy of your Facebook profile and protect it from screenshot, you can take a few steps, but you have to keep in mind that you cannot completely prevent someone from taking a screenshot. However, you can make your profile more secure. Here are the processes how you can do that and how you can lock your Facebook profile and adjust your privacy settings. First of all, you have to launch your Facebook on your device and you have to log into your Facebook account through the app or website. And you have to click on the profile picture or name to access your profile. Once you are here on your profile, you have to tap on the three dot next to your profile or next to your edit profile. And once you are here, you have to select the lock profile from the menu if available. So here you can see the lock profile. You have to select that. Once you have to select that, you have to follow the prompts to confirm that you want to lock the profile. This will limit who can see your profile information. So here you have to just go and tap on the lock profile option. So after locking your profile, you have to also go for the horizontal. You have to go for the setting here. Go back and navigate to the three horizontal line, which is also known as menu. Scroll down to the setting and privacy and go for your privacy center. Go for your setting, and once you are on your setting, you can tap on the privacy tick off. So here you can limit who can see your post or who can find you on Facebook. So just go and setting to different friends or so here you can see that. Also you can scroll down and here you can see the how people can contact you. So here you can see that all of this has been changed due to you have locked your profile. So here you can see that with this step you want someone from taking a screenshot whether this step screenshot so they can help to protect your information and enhance your privacy on Facebook. So this is the step how you can protect profile picture from screenshot and lock your Facebook profile. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.